Welcome. Welcome to the live session, traders. Hope that you guys ready here for another live session. I'm late again, but would like to see that some move in the market to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Hello traders, let me know guys if you are here. Give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Welcome. If you guys are online, thanks for joining the live session. I hope that you guys are here. You can respond to the live chat if you have any question. Frida, welcome, waiting, thank you. I hope that you guys can hear me on the chat. Thank you. Okay, so I was looking at XAU USD chart here, and with that chart, what you can see that on the lower time frame from XAU USD, we can see that this is a there is a doji, and then we can see from here a drop, and with that lower time frame price action, we can see the market from this structure. We have seen that a drop here. And what we can see that in this market lower time frame price action here is it's currently dropping back below to the lower time frame. And with that said, what we can see that on the lower time frame, looking at the 4-hour perspective here from this resistance line, this is a drop here on XAUSD locally, and would like to see that the market here having a short-term downside, and we can see that there is a bounce. With that bounce here, what we can see from the lower time frame, okay, so we can see this is a resistance line here, and with that resistance, looking at the 4-hour time frame, from that resistance line, we can see the market from this level had a very strong drop, expecting for this market to potentially drop back down to the support level to create a new lower low. And with that in mind, if we look at the 1 hour 1 minute chart, we can see that from this lower time frame, here is this is a, if you guys look at it, you can see there's a gap open in that area, and with that gap open, a big drop, sideways movement, expecting for this market to come back here to the support level. And what we can expect for the market, this is the 15 minutes perspective on XAU USD, and we can see lower time frame after the gap opened, expecting for this market potentially to trend in that direction to the support level to see where we can find trading opportunity in this market. So for our time frame here, there are back-to-back three bullish. There are three bullish doji here, and with that three bullish doji, the market potentially is after the gap open having a rejection here. And with that in mind, if we look at the lower time frame, we can see the market coming here in that direction. And lower time frame price action, I would like to see that some was expecting further drop, but we can see there is a buying pressure a little bit on the lower time frame. And with that buying pressure, what we can expect for this market, what I think that here for the price to continue to the downside here. And okay, so this is the 1 minute chart here, and with that 1 minute chart, what we can see the price in that area, this is a narrow zone here where the market is forming series of lower high. And with that series of lower high formation, there is a sudden bounce. I was expecting for the market to trend in that direction to the support level to create a new lower low. And this is the 1 hour chart where from this 20 EMA, expecting for this market to drop again, potentially to trend. Let's see if the market is trending or again bouncing back up or moving in a sideways to see. And with that in mind, if we look at the lower time frame, 15 minutes perspective, we can see that there is a gap open, and with that gap open, expecting for the market potentially to drop again to that support level here. Therefore, looking at the 1 minute chart also, we can see that there is a bounce here, and with that bounce, this is the 1 minute bullish candle formation. Okay, so with that bullish candle formation from the lower time frame, if you guys look at it, you can see this is the lower time frame price action, expecting for the market to to drop here. And here is, we can see there is a potential, there is a head and shoulder here, and with that head and shoulder, what we can expect is currently in a sideways, and I think that the market may push towards the downside here with another momentum potentially. So looking at from that point of view, if we look at the, you can see this is the 4 hour chart here on XAU USD. Look at the lower time frame here with this bounce sideways movement. I would like to see one more impulse before we look for any entry opportunity in this market. So let's look at the market to find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this market. So if you look at here, you can see that, guys, euro dollar also having a downtrend. Let's look at euro dollar also. We might see some bearish pressure on euro dollar. Like to see that euro dollar also giving us some potential trading opportunity. Potentially we can see there are some bearish pressure on euro USD. And with that bearish pressure, we can see that okay, so here is some movement on euro dollar. And if we look at euro dollar, we can see that there is a bearish pressure. Let's see if we can find any potential entry opportunity on euro USD as well, along with XAU USD, to see potential trading opportunity in this market. Now looking at again euro USD, we can see that in this lower time frame on euro dollar, this is where this is a resistance line where there is a high liquidity, a big drop, pullback, another drop, pullback, liquidity grab, and the market is trending, creating series of lower high and lower low. And with that drop on euro USD, we can expect for the market to come back here to that support level to see potential entry opportunity in this market. So let's look at that to see, find out how we can trade this market. And looking at the 1 hour chart here as well, you can see that euro dollar here is from this resistance line, a big drop, sideways movement, another drop. The market is forming currently bearish price action on euro dollar, and I think that we may see that this market is potentially trending to that support level to create a new lower low on euro USD. Along with XAU USD sideways movement at the moment we can see, and not a very impressive yet on XAU USD to see in fact if there is any entry opportunity in this market. Once we will find that entry opportunity, we will be looking for that entry, and before we find the entry opportunity, we will be waiting for what kind of trading that we can see in this market. So now I would like to show also you, if you guys have any opinion on that. Thank you. Waiting. Is this even there? Thank you very much. Good morning. Good afternoon. I'm following. Thank you very much for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate your support to the channel to find out potential trading opportunity. And also it's a great learning session in this market, and it's a great learning session. Every day I'm doing the live session for all of you guys so that you can you guys can understand it. Now you can see that this is the lower time frame price action from the 15 minutes. Here is, you can see this, there is a structure formation here, and with that structure formation, what we can expect for this market to this is the 15 minutes here, and the price is trying to fill that wick here. Now with that wick fill, even we might see that this market is melting potentially in that direction where there is a high liquidity, and that's where we might see the market is coming to the support level to find out where we can find trading opportunity in this market. Let's see where we can see here. XAUSD, I'm not very impressed with the market structure. Not a very good market to still not trending very nicely, but it doesn't mean that it's not gonna start. It might start trending again. And as you can see, the 4 hour and the lower time frame sideways. So you can see the euro dollar having on euro USD, it is having a nice downtrend here. We can see from this level there is a big drop, pullback sideways, another drop, sideways movement, and we can expect this market to that continue to trend here. Where with that being said, you can see this is a structure formation creating series of lower high, and with that series of lower high formation on euro USD, wanting to see that it's coming back here to that liquidity zone where there is an important support. And if you guys look at it, you can see here euro USD also grab multiple liquidity candle formation, wanting to see that it's breaking below. See if there is any entry opportunity here. 1 hour chart closing in 5 minutes, which is forming a potential doji here on euro dollar. Let's see if there is an entry. You guys excited to enter? On daily, we can see that from here euro dollar had a big drop. It's coming to the support level where there is a high liquidity. And with that being said, if we look at the 1 hour chart here, let's see that how many pip here on euro dollar. 15 pip potential move possible in that direction. At the same time, we can see the market is here it's forming series of lower high. We can see that euro dollar, after this big drop, it's trying to break below this support level here, and with that drop, what we can expect for the market to trend to the downside here, to find out where we can find potential trading opportunity in this market. Here is the resistance line where, if you guys look at it, you can see from here, expecting for the market to trend. And let's look at a potential entry opportunity. I'm still not entering, just looking to see the potential risk reward or the potential how many pip we can gain if we enter. Now euro dollar, this is the 1 hour price action, which is closing this candle in 5 minutes time, 4 minutes time. So if you look at euro USD, here is 20 pip potential upside, and then potentially to this support level. Okay, so here I'm going to open sell on euro dollar with 20 pip stop loss. Want to catch here on euro dollar around 16 pip to see, you know, how we can find trading opportunity. So looking at euro USD, if you guys look at it, you can see. Okay, so this is euro USD. Looking at the 1 hour chart to find out, here I'm putting a stop loss at on euro dollar, stop loss at 1.04455. Take profit, putting at 1.04115, and expecting a drop, so putting around okay, so we can have seen here. Okay, so on euro USD, I'm short. I open a sell here by market on euro USD, so I have opened sell on euro USD with 20 pip stop loss, targeting to 15 pip. I know that it's low risk reward, but as I mentioned, trading is more of probability rather than the risk reward. So would like to catch potential move, but with very tight, you know, that risk management is key. Anytime it might have a bounce in the last moment and could hit the stop loss. So, you know, it's very important, guys, that you always do the risk management if you are entering that trade. And also I'm going to share in the group. So thank you very much. So we are putting around 20 pips stop loss here on euro USD. So I placed another placed a sell on euro dollar, expecting for the market to, you know, break below to the support level. Let's see where it is heading, and based on that we can look for trading opportunity later as well. So here I have entered the trade on euro dollar, and you know, I will also be explaining fully the strategy behind the trade. First, let's try to catch some pip here potentially, and then we will be later looking at the potentially what might going to be happen here. So you can see the market double top, okay, with the double top breakdown, and wanting to see that it's coming to that support level here where there is a high liquidity. So 14 to 15 pip target here to move down to that level where there is an important support here. So let's look at that. Thank you. And now on the lower time frame, we can see the market forming series of lower high in that area, and with that series of lower high formation, want to see that it's melting in that direction to create a new lower low. We'll see where it might be heading. And guys, you can see there is a double top, expecting for the market to trend in the direction and then to come back here to this support level. With the 30 minutes, looking at the 30 minutes, you can see there is a bearish candle here, and with that bearish candle, want to see the market coming here to this level here to find out how we can trade this market. Let me know if you guys have any question. Thanks for your time, coach. Welcome. About dollar yen, check also GJ. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And here is with this movement, okay, so we can see the market coming downside, expecting for the price to come back to the support level here. Here is series of lower high, wanting to see that it's melting in that direction to the support level. Okay, so would like to see the market is trending here. Trend is very important. You know, when we are looking at the market, we need to look at a market which is trending. Trend is your friend as long as you are trading. So it is very important that, guys, you know, we are trading with the trend. This is also I emphasize a lot. In the meantime, I see, guys, likes is almost 1/5 of the view. So if you guys are enjoying the live session that I'm posting every day, also the analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the notification bell so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. So you can see the market here, series of lower high, and with that series of lower high coming to the support level, expecting it to come back here, trend to the support level, and then to create a new lower low. Let's get some peep here. Thank you. Okay, here is the market is forming series of lower high, wanting to see that it's coming back to that support where there is a high liquidity. And as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect for this market from liquidity zone to the other liquidity zone where there is an important support level. Here is double top, wanting to see the market is trending and then coming back to the support level. Thank you. Okay, so you can see some drop. Let's catch this peep here, some gain. Let's look at that. Let's find out that it's hitting the TP, and let's take that on the basket. All right, so the most important part here is to find out that the market is in a trend and it's coming to that potentially to the support level here. There is a where there is a high liquidity, and if you guys, you can see the doji here, wanting to see that it's melting to that support level where we see some couple of pips downside. Because it's a very short gain, want to see that directly TP hit possible. So my entry at 1.0423. So yeah, I'm around 5 pip up. So want to see that coming to that to this support level here. Right, so one more spike to the downside can give that price to hit that TP. Though we see from this level there is a potential rejection coming up. Want to see one more downside, and then our TP at 1.04115. So here is you see there is a doji here, okay, with a liquidity grab, and with the doji want to see the market coming here to this support level to find out how the market might be heading to. Okay, so there is a head and shoulder. If you guys look at it, you can see this is a head, left shoulder and the right shoulder. And with that head and shoulder, want to see the market coming here, hitting that level here where there's an important support. Want to see that it's coming here and then dropping down. With this head and shoulder formation, the market melting in that direction, expecting for the price to come back and then hit that TP level here. Very interesting music. So let's change it. Something familiar, isn't it? Let's get it down. My entry here. So it'll be around 10, 12, 13 pip once it hitting the TP. One more drop, and then we can, with that one more bounce, we can take the TP. Okay, so there are 7 pip running profit. I'm going to close it. It might just get a short-term bounce. Wanna take it? I'm taking 7 pip profit off the market on 7 pip on on euro dollar. So I've taken profit on euro dollar 7 pip. We'll be looking for further entry once we see that high probability trade. Oh, this is a previous one. And that's where, if you guys look at it, you can see the market here. This is where yesterday, if you guys have looked at our previous trade on XAUUSD, the similar kind of structure has formed here. Okay, double top, drop down, and wanting to see that the market is trending here and it may trend in that direction, and with that trend we may see that on that on Euro USD is coming here. So let's look at now on XAU USD what's happening. Okay, so on XAU USD, after the euro dollar, I have secured the profit. If you guys looked at, you guys have probably seen that the profit here on Euro USD. I've taken that profit off the table. Now on XAU USD, we can see the market has formed this head, left shoulder, and the right shoulder. There is a short-term drop here on XAU USD, and with the drop here, expecting for this market potentially to drop back to that support level here. As this market on the lower time frame, we can see that there is a trend, and looking at this market here on XAU USD, 4 hour perspective, 1 hour perspective. Okay, so this is where there is a resistance line here. Okay, so with that resistance, okay, so lower time frame, we can see that from this resistance line the market started to drop here in that direction, and we may see that the price is coming potentially back to this here to the liquidity zone, and with that drop, this is where there is a resistance. You can see multiple times the market is getting that resistance, and from the resistance we could see the price is coming to that support here. On the lower time frame on XAUUSD, we can see that there is a head, left shoulder, and the right shoulder, and with the head and shoulder formation we could see the price potentially coming back to this support level here. And from that perspective, if you guys look at it, you can see there is a triple top here. Okay, with the triple top we could see the market potentially melting to that support level here. The way the market structure is forming, we might see that the price is coming to that support to retest. Here is double top, and from the double top we can see that big drop. Here is a bear flag, and from that zone we might see the market is potentially coming in that direction here. And we can see that with this structure formation, okay, and with this structure formation, all right, so we can see there is a structure, and from the structure expecting for the market is that coming to that support level here, which is an important level. And okay, so forming series of lower high, wanting to see that the market is coming to that support, which is a very important level. For our time frame, 1 hour time frame here. XAUUSD doesn't make much sense to me yet for this price action. I will be waiting for further confirmation. Euro dollar, we have a couple of pips gain. We have gained that. If you guys have gained some pip here, you can give a thumbs up. Looks like the falling wedge. Yeah, there's some kind of movement that we have seen. Okay. Thanks for all the support, guys. EU near demand zone where big banks comes in. Thank you very much, God. Hello, didn't forget like and subscribe. Thank you. So what time frame is advisable to take a trade? Do you always stick to 15 minutes? Yes, absolutely. We do. Thank you. And here is the 4-hour time frame where there is a doji formation, which is a liquidity candle here. And with that liquidity candle, if you guys look at it, you can see this is a liquidity candle, and from the liquidity candle, wanting to see the market is dropping potentially to this support level here. Daily chart also, you can see that bearish price action. From the lower time frame, we can see that bearish price action. Euro dollar, we have gained some pip here, and wanting to see that euro dollar giving us some more opportunity later. And XAU USD, where if you guys look at it, you can see this is a pretty strong downtrend here. And from this triple top formation, market is trending in that direction, creating series of lower high and lower low. 5-minute chart here, and we can see that there is a, this is where forming series of lower high, wanting to see that the market is, you know, melting in the direction to see we'll be looking to see further opportunity. Looking at Euro USD here again to see that trend. We look at it. If you guys look at it, you can see this is a euro dollar trend, and we can see XAU USD again coming potentially in the downward pressure here, wanting to see that it's coming to that support level. 4-hour again, looking at from this resistance line, expecting for the market to melt to that support level here. So you can see again euro dollar, it's keep pushing down. We might see that further downtrend on euro dollar. And thank you for your support to the channel, absolutely appreciate. And any question, guys, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to answer if you have any question. And here is double top. Okay, with the double top, big drop here, and wanting to see that it's melting in the direction, potentially coming to that support level, coming back to that level where there is a high liquidity. Okay, so again going to XAU USD on the higher time frame here from this level. XAUSD today we see that a very pretty massive sideways movement on this market, and you know, I would like to see that this market in fact you know, that having a breakout or breakdown. Currently it's in a very strong sideways. Would like to see that the market giving us, you know, that proper entry. Euro dollar market looks nicely trending, and I think that long term we might see that euro dollar even coming to that level here. So you have quick some gain of pip on euro USD, and with that gain what we can expect that the market to give us later some further opportunity. And okay, so here is on XAU USD. After this sideways movement, the market trying to break below to this support level here. From the lower time frame with this market, we can see that also the market slowly coming to that support here, which is pretty strong liquidity zone. With that being said, guys, this is a today's session gonna be a little shorter. We have gained some pip on euro dollar. Pretty successful session yesterday. Also the day before yesterday, we are consistently gaining in our live session, which is a really progressive. The pattern that we are looking in our live session to become the best live session on trading on this platform. I just need all of your support, guys, and I will coming on live again very soon tomorrow to trade live again. Today's session gonna be a little shorter as we have gained. Let's keep that profit on the trading account. You know, in trading always less is more, so always keep trading less so that you can gain more. With that being said, thank you very much for joining this live session. I'll see you again very soon trading live together. Until that, stay well.